Here now I'm going to do the following. This one is our plan, okay, and this has to be minus this one, and this has to be minus this one. Here where the angle is minus this, and this is this minus this. Ignore arrow. This is unfortunately, or you do a complicated formula. Here you can see that anyway I'm going to this one and negative, so I don't want to display negative numbers. Anyway, I cannot, plan is not correct. This formula is okay, and then I have to do this. It should be valid. Okay, here we are. At the moment we are in this position because we are, let's say that we tested some days. We are 15, 21, 22,